Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how you can block notifications in Android very easily. The latest version of Android also allow you to block notifications from settings, but actually I am using an Oppo device with Android version 7, so that's why I cannot block all notifications under settings. If I go to settings, let me show you. Here we have notification and status bar settings. Now I can disable battery percentage and network speed and some other settings. If I go to my notifications page, I can disable notifications for each app one by one, but I don't have any option to disable all notifications in one click. So that's why I have to install an application. Now if you will search for disable all notifications Android APK, you will see these results. And now we have a lot of applications. I have installed 3 applications. From the top we have notification blocker, then we have notification of root, so if your device is not rooted it will not work. Then we have switch off notifications. So let's try the third one, switch off notification. Now if I open this application, it has some issues. Let's disable notification. Now you will have to, first of all you will have to select an application or two, and then you can block notifications. So you cannot disable notification for all apps in one click. You will have to tap one by one on each app. So that's why I don't prefer this application. Then we have notification off, which is a root application. So if your device is not rooted, it will not work. And finally we have notification blocker. So with this blue background and white bell icon. Let's open this application, and this is great application. It has already blocked 3 notifications from Twitter, as you can see. So you just need to click block junk notifications and just add. Now you can see never block notification, but you can also enable this option, and now all notifications will be blocked. If I go to settings page, here you can see all applications are already checked. So you just need to scroll down to all your applications, and if any application is not enabled, you can enable this one. Now contacts notification will be blocked, but I don't want to block notifications from contacts, so that's why I have not enabled this one. But if you want to disable notification from all other apps, by default this application will block all notifications from all your applications. So this is how you can easily disable notification on your Android device. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more WordPress and blogging related videos. So as you can see, now it has blocked 4 notifications. I just received a notification, but it has successfully blocked notification. Let's open this one again, and if I go to settings, we have this notification log. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.